Hello friends, welcome to our video on Ashwa Old Coins. The 1994 Australian $1 coin holds significant historical, cultural, and numismatic value as part of Australia's ongoing evolution in coinage. This coin, a key element of Australia's currency system, represents a pivotal moment in the country's monetary history. Let's explore the coin's history, design, and geographical context in detail, preceding currency and the need for change. Before the introduction of the $1 coin, Australia used paper notes for denominations up to $1. In the early 1980s, Australia began exploring ways to modernize its currency. The decision to introduce the $1 coin was part of a broader strategy to replace paper notes with durable, cost-effective coins. Prior to the coin's introduction in 1984, the $1 note had been in circulation since 1966, the year Australia transitioned to decimal currency. The Australian government opted for a coin instead of a banknote for the $1 denomination due to the rising costs of printing paper money, its relatively short lifespan, and the potential for increased durability in coin form. The Australian $1 coin was introduced in 1984, replacing the $1 banknote. The initial design of the $1 coin featured the iconic image of a golden wattle blossom and a stylized kangaroo, designed by Stuart Devlin. This marked the beginning of a new era for Australian currency, as the country shifted towards using coins more widely. In 1994, Australia issued a special $1 coin to commemorate a significant event in Australian history and heritage. This coin was part of a series of coins issued to mark special occasions, events, and anniversaries. The 1994 $1 coin was not just an ordinary release, but a reflection of Australia's ongoing efforts to celebrate and preserve its culture and heritage. The year 1994 saw multiple coins being minted, with variations in design, materials, and limited edition versions. One of the notable releases from 1994 was the Australian $1 coin, which featured a design that highlighted the country's history, natural beauty, and distinctive wildlings. The geography and design of the 1994 Australian $1 coin. Design elements. The 1994 Australian $1 coin's design was a part of a series intended to showcase key elements of Australia's geography, culture, and wildlife. The reverse side of the 1994 $1 coin typically featured distinctive elements from Australia's natural heritage. In particular, one of the most popular designs during the 1994 period was related to the theme of native animals or commemorative symbols, which gave it both aesthetic and symbolic value. The exact design may have varied slightly, but it often included iconic Australian animals like kangaroos, emus, or koalas. The standard $1 coin minted in 1994, like all Australian $1 coins since their introduction in 1984, was made from a mix of copper and nickel. This combination was chosen for its durability and resistance to wear. The coin had a diameter of 25 millimeters and weighed 9 grams, consistent with the size of the $1 coin series. The 1994 $1 coin also adhered to the usual Australian practice of ensuring the coin's high durability to withstand daily transactions. This durability was a key factor in the decision to replace paper notes with coins, as it greatly reduced the need for frequent replacements and led to a more sustainable and cost-effective currency system. The design of the coin was deeply connected to Australia's natural environment. As with other Australian coins, the designs aim to celebrate the unique flora and fauna found across the continent. Australia is home to some of the most diverse and distinctive species of animals in the world, including kangaroos, emus, and koalas, as well as its iconic golden wattle flower. These species were often featured on the $1 coin, reflecting the connection between the country's currency and its natural resources. In terms of geography, the coin's design may also have included elements symbolizing the broader cultural and physical landscape of Australia, such as its vast deserts, rainforests, and coastal areas, as well as its rich Aboriginal heritage. Cultural significance of the coin. The 1994 Australian $1 coin is not just a medium of exchange, it's a reflection of Australian identity. By incorporating national symbols, including animals and plant life that are significant to both the Aboriginal peoples and modern Australians, the $1 coin communicates cultural pride. This was especially true during a period when Australia was focusing more on its national identity and historical legacy, including reconciling with its Indigenous past. Commemorations and special editions. Some variations of the 1994 $1 coin were produced to commemorate key national events and anniversaries. These editions featured distinct engravings that differed from the standard circulating $1 coin. For instance, certain designs celebrated Australia's role in global events or milestones in its history, like the commemoration of the bicentenary of European settlement in Australia, which was a theme explored in the 1988 commemorative coins. The Australian $1 coin in the context of Australian coinage history. The Australian $1 coin's introduction in 1984 marked a significant shift in the country's currency design. Prior to the $1 coin, the highest circulating denomination was the 50-cent coin, which was quite large in size. The move to a $1 coin allowed for more efficient and practical currency handling. In 1994, this evolution continued with the gradual introduction of new designs and specific commemorative coins. By the mid-1990s, the Australian $1 coin had become widely accepted and ingrained in the everyday life of Australians. The practicality of coins over paper currency, along with their durability and cost-effectiveness, helped solidify the $1 coin's place in Australian currency. Moreover, the introduction of the $1 coin and its continued refinement through subsequent designs over the years has helped Australia's monetary system keep pace with international trends. It was part of a broader effort by the Royal Australian Mint to modernize Australia's coinage, incorporating not only elements of Australian wildlife, but also international best practices in coin design and production. Modern-day legacy and collectability. The 1994 Australian $1 coin, especially in its commemorative versions, has become an item of interest for collectors. Over the years, Australian $1 coins, particularly those with unique designs, special editions, or limited minages, have gained value on the secondary market. Collectors often seek coins that commemorate specific historical events, anniversaries, or national symbols, making them important artifacts in the history of Australia's currency. As Australia continues to mint new coins and designs, the 1994 $1 coin serves as a reminder of the country's dynamic history and geography, symbolizing not only economic and political changes, but also the rich cultural heritage of the Australian people. The 1994 Australian $1 coin is a reflection of the nation's commitment to honoring its cultural identity, natural beauty, and historical milestones through its currency. By looking at the design, history, and geography of the coin, we can understand how Australia has used its money to tell the story of the land and its people. The coin represents more than just a denomination. It's a piece of Australian heritage that has withstood the test of time, evolving with the country as it grows and changes. Whether as a collector's item or as part of everyday transactions, the 1994 Australian $1 coin remains an important symbol in Australia's rich numismatic tradition.